Alright, you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am wearing my Keep Calm and Clean shirt from Jessica's channel, Keep Calm and Clean. So this is my whole house cleanup video. I'm basically going to be cleaning up the whole house, picking things up, starting some loads, kind of cleaning a little bit in the bathrooms.
You're calling, I'm falling, don't know what it is you do to me, yeah.
So here I'm just kind of cleaning up the laundry room, organizing it, picking up a little bit.
Let's go out and dance the night away, going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And this is where I keep my toilet paper rolls, so I just needed to kind of refill that basket.
Break, that's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes.
So now I need to desperately clean up my bathroom. As you guys can see, there is things everywhere. So we're just kind of putting everything back where they go. We're going to wipe down the counters. We're going to throw away some things, clean the mirrors, and all of that good stuff. So I did have a camera guy for most of this video. Bless his heart for helping out. So it is a little shaky, but he did a pretty good job.
6, 7, 8, ready for that heartbreak. I missed you. Give me that kiss now. I just wanna hold you close to me. I really like you. Do you like me? Don't you wanna see what this could be? I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? Yeah, yeah. Ooh, baby, I am ready for that heartbreak. Yeah, yeah.
So I am going to go ahead and pick up toys that are spread all over my room that Ava has left in there. And we're going to go take those back into her room and then kind of clean up her space.
Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak?
Something about the way you move makes me wanna feel your groove. Something about the way you dress.
So for some reason, my hubby had some of his clean clothes on the floor, so I just went ahead and rehung those up.
She's still here, though we say we do. 'Cause I just wanna get down with you. For the last time, I can call you mine. Much more than I swear we've been through. You can tell me when we're naked. We don't have time, so let's not waste it. Haven't kissed your lips for days, don't remember how they taste.
And then I was sent these awesome stencils. These are for like DIY home decor, and they are from Essential Stencil. So I'll actually have their information in the description box. It's not a sponsored video, but they did send these for free to try out, and I'm very excited. I also have 2 extra ones that I'm going to go ahead and do a giveaway over on my Instagram. So make sure that you follow me over there also, and then you can check out their information down below. So now we're going to go ahead and head downstairs, where I just kind of need to clean off the counters, kitchen table, do some dishes, some basic things like that. So I do have some organization videos coming up in the next couple weeks. There are some places in my house I still need to tackle, like my bathroom linen closet, my pantry, things like that. So also my walk-in closet in my room. I do want to do some decluttering and getting rid of some clothes that I no longer wear.
Every time I see your face, wish you still had fun, though we say we're done, 'cause I just wanna get down with you. For the last time, I can call you mine. What's more than us when we are through? You can tell me when we're naked. We don't have time, so let's not waste it.
And we are going to be doing some home changes. That's what I'm holding up right here. That is going to be coming also in the next couple weeks.
Naked. You can tell me when we're naked. We don't have time, so let's not waste it.
And then, as you guys know, that all the products that I use are always from Grove Collaborative. I might have a few from here or there, but I love using Grove Collaborative. It is a monthly subscription, and I do have their information down below if you wanted to check it out. They carry all natural and non-toxic products, so I am a stickler for my non-toxic products. So it just makes it where your home is more safe for your kids, for yourself, especially if you're asthmatic or you have allergies. You just want to kind of eliminate as much toxins that you put into the air in your home.
Watch me, just follow every move. Touch me, let me know you want it too. Don't know what you need, but I got what you want, babe. No, we don't have to leave. The night is still young. All we need is now. Don't ever let me go. We got the whole night. Just let me feel you close. Come surround me. Don't ever let me go. Come surround me. Just let me feel you close. Slowly, but don't wait for too long. Just hold me. We're right where we belong. Don't know what you need, but I got what you want, babe. We don't have to leave.
Anyway, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and give me a like if you guys enjoy these videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Also, comment down below to let me know you were here, say hi, and also let me know what your favorite non-toxic cleaning product is.